Everyone, today we are going to explain the activity. The activity is called The Adventure of the Curious Cat and the Elements of Nature. It's about a cat who goes to different biomes in search of the elements of nature, trying to learn a little about them and meeting friends who help the cat understand each one, implementing the help of the students to solve different questions about the topic. The necessary material are presentations to make it entertainment. They can be virtual, flashcards to be more interactive with the students, also images or pictograms. The facilities learning since different linguistic skills, such as speaking and listening, are used. While the students listen, students acquire new vocabulary and different pronunciations. And when talking about the new words, they learn more about the topic.
Well, after that, consider factors such as seating arrangement, group dynamics, behavior expectation, and teacher and student roles. First, the student will begin to sit in their seats. After that, I will begin to explain what activity we are going to do today. The activity is storytelling based on the vocabulary seen. After that, I will tell them to sit in groups or in pairs for better attention. The dynamic of the group will be immersive so that each student will be able to participate using behaviorism to maintain silence. The student's role will be to listen and respond while the teacher will be the reader.
So we're going to implement the activity that is storytelling, the adventure of the curious and elements of nature. So when you start the activity, you have the start be okay, emotion, etc. So you continue the story. So this is the story of a cat who once heard about the elements of nature. One day the cat undertook a trip for 2 different biomes to learn about the elements of nature. So you introduce the topic about the student sing. Okay, so the cat went to the forest. So you continue the answer. Hello cat, what are you doing here? So the cat answered, I am learning about the elements of nature. So I know one. Do you know what is hot? It illuminates a lot and gives you a lot of head. And the cat answered, no, let me ask the children who are listening to this story for hot. So you introduce the students about the history and the question. Okay, kids, help me. Which is the correct answer? So you have the options to use the different flashcard about the topic. For example, we have water and air, fire, and metal. And I choose one student, for example, Noelia, help me. So what is the answer? Fire, air, earth, or metal?
Letter A, fire.
Fire, okay. So you see the answer? Yes, it's correct, fire. So you continue. You want to more interactive or to direct with the question. So this is another example. Okay, in the end, the cat learned a little about the elements of nature. The cat called to more friends to ask more questions. You can use a small group. Yeah, the small group can answer this question. Another example, Natalia and Noelia, tell me with a question. Finally, I have a question for you. This material is hard, resistant, and is used in infrastructure such as buildings. What is it?
Letter D.
Letter D, metal.
Letter D, metal, okay. Okay, it is correct, metal. So when you finish the activity and you use the different materials, you can say thank you student for helping me with the adventure, and they help in a good environment because you introduce the students in a history and can learn and acquire a new vocabulary. So thank you.